recording it now.
You didn't get the full view though, babe.
I am. Sophia is sleeping on the floor in the hallway because she had a timeout because she was being naughty. Her little feet hanging out.
That's what I said, you gotta get the full view.
She's in a little mini coma. She's in a timeout because she hit her sister with a Barbie. Little jerk. Should we move her, Curtis?
Where's that guy? You don't hurt you nothing. Turn the light back off, there we go.
She got like bit on her.